A lot of innovations in use today are developing exponentially. Humans are learning things that would have baffled experts merely a few decades ago, yet in the broad scheme of human technological development over the next millennium, our advancements seem like a blip. Imagine the year 20 years in the future. With the help of extraordinarily potent quantum computers, a new age of technology starts to take over the world. These computers function millions of times faster than conventional computers and tackle numerous problems at once using quantum bits, also known as qubits. Numerous industries will use thousands of these robots to quickly and accurately solve issues that were not previously solvable. Converging industries like biotechnology and nanotechnology provide advances that smoothly link machines with the human body thanks to quantum computing. Directly implanted microchips might replace everyday objects like credit cards and keys, enabling humans to communicate with other intelligent systems without the need for intermediary equipment. Nanobots, even smaller computers, might be injected into human bloodstreams and cure dangerous tumors, dissolve blood clots, and gather information on specific cell types. With the help of this information, doctors can keep track of even the smallest changes in our health and prevent the onset of prevalent diseases. While the human body will continue to age in terms of years, it is possible that over the next several decades, the amount of time we spend in excellent health may grow dramatically. Regardless of their chronological age, anti-aging medications may successfully halt the aging process, allowing users to feel younger for longer. Wearable technology that enhances the human body may also help us improve our health and wellness. For instance, powered clothing may act as an additional set of muscles that boosts what people can physically do. Adaptive technologies made from 4D printed materials, such as building materials that alter in reaction to high temperatures, may include powered clothes among many others. These substances could cooperate with networks of nanosensors that continuously watch for minute changes in intricate systems. Nanosensors may, for instance, detect weak spots in a bridge that is about to collapse and make the structure more durable without the need for human involvement. Artificial intelligence, or AI, may be used by many networks to analyze data and improve performance. The majority of major sectors will use AI heavily within a few decades, creating new opportunities for human cooperation and problem-solving. AI technologies that analyze populations and optimize policies to better the lives of actual people may help important disciplines like public health become more effective and successful. Although AI has the potential to improve society, it might also lead to a surge of societal turmoil. People may have less privacy, freedom, and agency as a result of AI's influence on our daily lives, which some believe makes these technologies immoral or bad for our species. Between those who adopt modern technology and others who are unable or unwilling to keep up, a growing chasm might form. As the first astronauts make a temporary home on Mars, those who have lost hope in life on Earth could find it elsewhere in the solar system. Successful Mars missions paved the way for humankind's eventual colonization of the Red Planet and prompted businesses to spend money on reusable spacecraft and autonomous mining equipment. We will require hundreds of billions or trillions of money, as well as enormous quantities of energy, before we can establish a permanent civilization on Mars. Humans may successfully capture the same energy that drives the stars by building on significant advancements made in the 2020s. Fusion energy, produced by joining atomic nuclei, has the potential to both reduce our environmental impact and provide solutions to many of the world's energy issues. The future generation of quick and effective spacecraft may be powered by a similar technique. Fusion propulsion technology could make it possible for people to reach Mars' surface on a regular basis and deliver supplies and construction materials to establish the first Martian colony. The Red Planet may come to be seen by an increasing number of people as a second home for humanity. The next stage in human improvement technology may involve brain-computer interfaces around the turn of the century. Our cognitive abilities might be enhanced by tiny but potent computers that are surgically implanted into our brains. This would enable us to comprehend substantially more information and engage in deeper types of communication. Brain implants may enable humans to communicate some thoughts telepathically through brain-to-brain communication in place of speaking or using gestures. They might also be enhanced with memory disks that keep a detailed record of every event a person has, ensuring that nothing is ever forgotten. However, brain enhancement could remove inherent disparities between persons. Continuous communication between friends, families, and social groupings portends the potential confluence of a collective consciousness. We may suffer a loss of individual identity and a big increase in group intelligence if it appears that everyone feels the same way. The growing number of robots that are rapidly automating the lower levels of our society may follow similar trends. Swarms of self-replicating nanobots, referred to as utility fog, work together to complete massive tasks like creating enormous buildings or turning into structures. These and other robots may do numerous jobs connected to the workplace better than actual people in offices, factories, and even the service sector. As a result, human workers may have fewer job prospects. Many of these robots will function utilizing narrow or weak AI that can only do particular, repeated tasks. However, sophisticated or strong AI may be getting closer behind closed doors to what some futurists view as the brink for humanity's existence. A powerful AI language model could be able to hold in-depth discussions that are identical to exchanges between people. An AI may finally completely comprehend the vast amount of knowledge at its disposal, resulting in a machine with intellect comparable to humans. The first artificial general intelligence, or AGI, might have self-awareness by the year 2201. With its newly discovered conscience, this superintelligence may be able to process information at a rate that dwarfs human intellect within days or perhaps hours. The distinction between people and machines may blur as we approach what some refer to as the singularity, leading to a coexistence of hyper-intelligent AI and humans. More people may go to the first Martian metropolis as we struggle to understand the effects of aware computers. Humans may thrive on Mars, where there are thousands of residents, due to mining operations that extract minerals from the planet's crust and surrounding asteroids. The Martian economy may see a financial flood as a result of these precious resources when the planet's small isolated metropolis develops into a thriving civilization. It's possible for entire generations to be born and reared only on Mars, never having visited Earth. Humans may reach a crucial turning point in our species' technological development by the year 2400. By using all important sources of energy on our home planet, humanity may evolve into a Type 1 planetary civilization. With greater power at our disposal, humanity may develop technology that was formerly only found in science fiction, such as the molecular assembler, a nanomachine that can construct items molecule by molecule and manipulates atoms. These speculative machines might construct nearly anything when combined into extremely effective systems, or so-called nanofactories, ushering our species into a period of extreme plenty. Many individuals may have given up on the real world by that point and chosen to live entirely online. The next stage of human development may involve cyborgs, which are made up of both biological and inorganic components, and may be more prevalent than modern humans. Meanwhile, a time of rapid cosmic expansion could finally make it possible for humanity to travel to other planets and moons. Others could reside in roving space colonies that circle the Earth or just drift through space. One of the many terrestrial planets in our galaxy may receive the first robotic expedition from Earth or Mars, setting the stage for future human colonies outside our solar system. Humans may start creating a planet-sized computer known as a Matryoshka brain in the 4th millennium. It's possible that this sophisticated system has more processing capacity than the whole human race put together. It might create complete virtual universes in a matter of seconds, recreating each of our experiences under every conceivable circumstance. An energy source as large as a sophisticated computer could be beyond the capacity of a Type 1 civilization. Over a very long period of time, we may progressively advance to the next level of technological development and become a Type 2 stellar civilization. Similar to the hypothetical Dyson sphere, humans could create a stellar megastructure that directly absorbs solar energy and propels society into a new era of technology. Assuming we are astronomically lucky, mankind may someday, in the far-off future, become a Type 3 galactic civilization, drawing power from every star in the Milky Way galaxy. This technologically evolved, godlike version of humanity would be capable of manipulating space-time itself. In the end, no one can predict how our society will develop over the next century and beyond. But if technology continues to advance at an exponential rate, advancements that are currently considered unthinkable may quickly become the norm in the future.